I'm gonna get on with opening up this box, all right? Because I've been waiting long enough for it, and we're gonna see what this distro is all about. All right. So like I said, this is from Don Movements. You can find him on Facebook. He's an electrician. He makes all electrical type products. All right, wires, plugs, distros, whatever the case may be. You can check him out on Facebook and see how that is. All right, so I'm checking out this box here. I'm kind of worried, all right, because I don't know, it's a little soft. I'm not sure if they got enough padding in here, but hopefully it's wrapped in bubble wrap. All right, so that's one of the things I like to check out, is how someone ships something to you. And this is kind of bulging out the box, but anywho's, we're gonna open it up and see what she looks like. All right, I wanted to do this on video, of course. So we're gonna see what it's looking like. All right, so it's looking like there's a lot of bubble wrap, so that's a good thing. All right. Not a whole lot of bubble wrap, but enough bubble wrap. Box out of the way. Get this knife out of the way. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, so they just basically wrapped it in the bubble wrap, alright? They didn't take the bubble wrap on or anything, so anything could have happened. But this is what she's looking like. Alright. Alright, make sure you see that. Alright, so this is supposedly 120 amp distro. Let you see the back. Alright. So there's no labels or anything, so I'm guessing the blues are 110. Alright. The power con will be the 30 amps. And these blacks will be 220, alright? We got switches for each circuit, alright? Okay. Alright, so this is a two-phase here. So you got the red, it's positive, the black is positive, the green is ground, the white is neutral. Alright? Alright, so it's pretty solidly built, nice and smooth. And there's no sharp edges or anything. Alright, looks good. It's good build quality. Can't complain, alright? So if you want a distro built, you can check out Don on Facebook, Don Movements, and he'll hook you up, alright? But just have some patience, because it does take a while. Alright, so it's a wrap. DJ Show One King Legend. Catch you on the next one, alright? Please like, please subscribe for more products and information and all that good stuff, alright?